this Qatar vlog today we are sliding through real snow in the middle of desert, tasting Qatar's best chocolate cafe and continuing the day with world's first Angry Bird theme park and ending the day by trying the most famous fried chicken in Qatar. Assalamualaikum guys, today is the third day in Qatar and we are here at the Snow Dunes. The temperature over here is -4 degrees and outside the temperature is 49 degrees. So I'll go inside, I'll show you all the rides that are available over here. First things first, where are these parks? They both are located inside Doha Festival City Mall. It's one of the biggest mall in Qatar. The place is massive. It has more than 8,000 cars that can be parked. So make sure to park at the right place to avoid walking long distances. Snow Dunes and Angry Bird is located at the same place. It's at first floor. Alright, so let's start with Snow Dunes because this place is mind-blowing. In Snow Dunes, you will get complete winter outfit like jacket, snow pants, boot, everything. Helmet is given once you are entering inside. This is Qatar's first indoor snow park. Imagine stepping from 48-degree desert heat into -4 winter wonderland. Yay. So guys, Hamdan is ready to go inside the snow dune. Show me what you're wearing.
I have gloves. I have shoes.
Show me your gloves. Okay, and
shoes.
okay, and Amina, can you show me your clothes?
And that's your mood. And socks. So guys, now we need to wear our helmet. Oh my God!
The temperature is maintained at -4 degrees throughout. 17 snow guns are used to create real snow. Not fake crushed ice stuff, but actual snow like you would find in the Alps. Hamdan, are you ready?
Yeah!
Yeah! Where are we? Snow World! Yeah! Who's baby?
Baba!
Who's baby?
Baba!
Yeah! Come. If you are sensitive to cold, you might want to take a break at the cafes. So this is the Dune Dash Slide. Are you ready, Ghanim, for the Dune Dash Slide? Ghanim?
Let's go.
Show me. Do thumbs up. Whoa, Ghanim! Dune Dash Slide. This is the longest slide at over 50 meters. You can reach speeds up to 50 km per hour. It's absolutely insane. I'm done. Yeah. Yeah. Whee. Ultra snow. Whee! And then more snow? Whee! Are you happy? What you doing? I love you! Snow dashing. Trade desert dune bashing for snow dune bashing. This was amazing, a family-friendly ride.
There will go another one.
So he can take in camera. Straight if we can go.
And 3, 2, 1, go!
Yay! Did you enjoy?
Yes.
Yeah, do yeah. Ghanim, did you enjoy? In the camera, tell in the camera.
I enjoyed!
How was it? What did you do?
It was nice.
Ask Amina, what did you do? How was it?
Fine.
You came all the way fast?
Yes.
Was it cold?
No.
No go? Yeah. Bumper cars on ice. Regular bumper cars but on a slippery surface now and adds extra challenge.
Okay.
It's -4, it's feeling really cool and it's an amazing feeling, and I'll show you. So this is the first ride. The moment you enter, so you enter from there. This is the first slide game. This is a fun ride that tests the strength of kids. So basically they have to hold on to this bar and it is getting pulled up and then they just drop down. It's amazing. So our second game was snow ride. Basically, you do ice skating over here. But the thing is, this ice skating rink does not have real ice. It is just a plastic sheet which makes it really difficult to skate on it. So it is just made for the kids, and kids wore their shoes and they went for skating. There was a penguin on which they could take a support and they were falling. But the thing is, it wasn't real ice, so they could not learn much. So this was not that much fun. If you want, you can skip it as well. It would have been amazing if there was real ice.
No, no.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Arif, you're not coming. Come.
Whoa. Ghanem, smile. Amina, smile. Now we'll go dip and dip.
So guys, we are here for a break. We came here at Dependent and let's try their chocolate dishes. This is one of the best over here.
On me eating chocolate cake and we will go Angry Bird Park. Ooh.
You want vanilla ice cream?
Yeah,
Okay, we'll get vanilla.
chocolate.
Okay.
I'll scoop. I'll scoop.
Bismillah, guys. Bismillah.
It sounds crisp. You want some banana?
Wait, Amina, one
Hey
second.
guys.
Yes. 1 second, Baba.
Hey guys.
Yeah.
Hey guys, you want some banana?
Eat.
Eat it. And I want this ice cream. Let's eat it and try it.
We couldn't finish anything. Only this Hamdan finished. Amina finished this. Mana ate half. This is like extra. I wanted to try it up so full. And this is also almost full.
Hamdan went to washroom, so he ran to the kids' rest area and locked himself up. So he got a bit scared. Then my wife had to call the security. But Alhamdulillah, by then he himself opened the door and came out. And that's why he's sitting quietly on the stroller. Now let's talk about Angry Bird World. And wow, this place is massive. The second you enter Angry Bird World, your energy level jumps high. Bright color, loud sound, movement everywhere. This place does not let you walk slowly, it pulls you in. You instantly feel like you have entered in a real life video game. There is a huge gift shop from where you can buy beautiful Angry Bird toys. And how it will last? Okay, finish. So guys, this is the Angry Bird and that is the slingshot. So next we will go on that slingshot of the Angry Bird. I tried the Super Slingshot, the star attraction over here from where you can see whole of Doha. You get launched 60 meters into the air in a giant slingshot. My wife screamed the entire time. This is the ride that scares everyone. You sit down, then the harness locks and suddenly everything goes quiet. Your heart beats faster, you look up and then boom, you are in the air. You're launched into the air so fast that your stomach stays behind. Then there is no scream at first, just shock. Then adrenaline and pure madness. When it ends, your legs shake and you can't stop smiling. When we were in the air, we were thinking maybe the ropes might snap because it was that beautiful from up and scary as well. I just loved this go-kart experience. The kart steering was tight, but it was amazing.
Give me one cookie. Colors? But you have no. Give me one. Colors? Oh.
Are you excited? So guys, this ride is called Raft Battle. Ghanem, Amina, are you ready for the raft battle?
Yeah, now we are about to
Whoa.
fight. Yeah. Huh? Where's the boat? Piggy's boat?
Yes.
So see, they have beautiful angry birds over here. Smaller birds here. Come on, Amina, you can use laser gun over here. Yeah, you can use here, Ghanem. And what?
Piggy is so disgusting.
Disgusting piggies.
Yeah. We were
So did you kill them? Did you fire water gun on them?
yeah, and the water, and they die in the water.
Oh wow.
Angry bird is dead.
Good. Who's angry bird? Amina, the red?
Now, Ghanem,
Pink. Ghanem is red. Good, that is good.
oh my God! My God.
It was a nice ride. It's a family ride with your family. Whole family can go. Even Hamdan was with us on that ride. So it is nice. Now we are moving to the next ride. Next is this ride. Let's go. Hanif.
What was your experience?
Nice, but you go in toilet. We enjoy. We go up there, then we come there.
Oh, I'm
I
so
think
sorry.
you should be there. That.
And then don't hit the red light.
You want to go here?
Yeah, Baba, but
So let's go. Hamdan. 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 Amina. Amina. Hamdano. Hamdan. Hey. So guys, we are having our dinner at Go Crispy. This is the most famous chicken roasted or fresh crunchy chicken shop here in Qatar. How's it, Ghanem?
No.
You like it? Yalla, eat. Guys, right now the time is 12 in the night. And we didn't eat our dinner. We are going to eat our dinner, which is Go Crispy. And please go and eat your food, Amina. Ghanem, can you tell how's the taste?
It's not.
You like it, Ghanem? Amina, can you tell me about Go Crispy? How's the taste?
It's so beautiful.
It's better than KFC?
Yeah, this
He didn't
guys
give
is
ketchup.
nice. One for
You
eat.
didn't give ketchup?
One for eat, guys. One for
Okay.
eat.
You want-
And I'm making a garment with chicken.
You're making what, burger?
Yeah.
Wow.
Beautiful chicken.
Show me. 1 minute, slowly. Okay, show. What did you do?
There's one chicken. Right.
Okay.
This is chicken.
Go Crispy.
Go with this slow one. Okay.